My name is Richard, product specialist for the backhoe range. Together with Adrian, we'd like to walk you around the features of our products. Let's take a look at the chassis and driveline. The chassis is a box section design for strength and rigidity. Released from inside the cab, a fully tilting hood gives easy access to the engine, which has ground level servicing from one side. The TLB 850 has a 94 horsepower, 70 kilowatt Perkins engine. The higher spec TLB 890 and TLB 990 are fitted with a 100 horsepower, 74.5 kilowatt Perkins engine. Together, these engines offer reliability and a strong global support network. With a synchro shuttle transmission, gear selection is manually achieved via a floor-mounted gear stick, whilst direction changes are made with the left-hand shuttle lever. The servo power synchro transmission allows gear shifting via a single rotating control lever, with manual gear selection or automatic mode and kickdown function. When it comes to manoeuvrability, the TLB 850 and TLB 890 have a turning circle of only 7.9 meters. The TLB 990 with 3 steering modes has a turning circle of only 7.3 meters, the best on the market. Crab and 4-wheel steer modes deliver industry-leading manoeuvrability. Boosted brakes with low pedal effort ensure the machine is quickly brought to a stop. To ensure maximum traction in all ground conditions, the rear axle is fitted with a 100% differential lock. Let's sum up the driveline. Strong and durable chassis, easy engine access with ground level servicing, economical Perkins engines with auto idle, a choice of transmissions on TLB 850 and TLB 890, class-leading turning circle, and low-effort boosted brakes.